Hello students, in this video we will discuss the operation of sets. So we already learned about what is set and the type of sets. So in this video we will discuss about the operation of sets. So let's start. Exercise 6. So exercise 6 question number A is given. There is 3 sets are given. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot up to 8, and P is given 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, and C is given here 0, 5, 10 and 20. So our first question is given here, do the union of A and B. So what is the meaning of union? Union means summation. So how to solve it? Firstly, write down those elements which are common in both sets. 3 is common, 3 is common here, 5 is also common because the elements of sets A are 0 to up to 8. So 5 is common, 7 is common. These are the common elements. So write here firstly 3, 5 and 7, and write down those elements which have left of the elements of set A. So left of the element of sets A are 0, 1, 2, and now 0, 1, 2 and 8, 8 and 6 also, 6 and 4. Now write down those elements which which is left in set B. So that is 9 and 11. So these are the union of A and B. So write down this set again, A set, so better to understood. A is equal to, the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now go to our next problem, question number 5. So question number 5 is given here, do intersection of A and C. So intersection means the common elements. So just you have to write here the common elements. So which are common in A and C? 0 is present C, 0 is present A also. 5 is present C, 5 is present A also. Only 0 and 5. These two are common element of A and C. So 0 and 5 are the elements of A intersection C. So let's see another example, question number 3. So question number 3, you have to find here B union C. So how to find B union C? Firstly, write those elements which have common in B and C. The elements are 5 is present here, 5 is also present here, and nothing is common here. So write here only 5. Now write down those elements which are left in the set B. The elements are 3, 7, 9 and 11. Now write down those elements which are left in set C. So these are 0, 10 and 20. So these are the set of B union C. So let's see another example, question number 2, 1. Question number 2, 1 is given here, A is equal to 0 1 4 7 and set xi is equal to is given here x such that x belongs to whole number and x is less than equal to 10. So what does it means? This set is given in builder form. Firstly you have to write down in a roster form. This is called roster form and this type is called builder form. So firstly write this one as a builder form. Write this one is a roster form. So here is given x less than whole number, x belongs to whole number and x less than equal to 10. So we know that whole number start from 0. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10 because there is given less than equal to 10. That means you have to take the value of 10 also. Now here you have to find a dash, that means a complement. So what does it means? Complement means you have to subtract those elements of a from, you have to subtract the elements of a from xi. So xi is the universal set here. So from the universal set, that means from this xi you have to subtract the elements of a. So if you eliminate the elements of a from xi, what you will get? Look at the common elements. First 0 is common, 1 is present here, 4 is also present here and 7 is also present here. So in a dash you have to write down those elements without this element, that means elements of a. These are 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? So this is called the complement of the set. Now in this way you can solve left of the problem from exercise 1 and 2. Thank you everyone.